Hello students. Today we will study chapter number 20, Crossing Bridges. Before starting this chapter, we will know what is a bridge. A bridge is a structure built over a river, canal or sea to allow people and vehicles to move from one side to the other. Bridges also connect an island to the mainland as well as railway lines and busy roads. We use bridges almost every day. We see them not only in cities but also in rural areas. Bridges connect people by making traveling from one place to another easier. Let's know the concept of building bridges. In olden days, bridges were made from logs of wood, planks, and stones. Even today, there are bridges made over rivers and canals that are meant only for people to walk across. These are made of locally available materials like bamboo and stone. Over the years, wood and stone have been replaced by concrete and brick bridges. These bridges are made with an iron or steel framework so that heavy traffic and vehicles carrying heavy loads can cross. Steel is strong and durable. It does not rot or get easily damaged when the bridge is made over a river or a sea. Longer bridges have pillars in between the two ends. These pillars are known as piers. The bridges that hold the metro train tracks in cities also have many pillars or piers. These piers are numbered. You must have seen them in cities that have a metro system. Now we will know about the types of bridges. Beam bridge. A beam bridge is the most common and simplest bridge design. This is because it is easy to construct, more functional, and not so costly. A beam bridge is made of a horizontal beam and supported at the two ends by pillars. This beam can be a long, thick piece of wood, metal, or concrete. Footover bridges and flyovers are the examples of beam bridges. Cantilever bridges. Cantilever bridges are made of cantilevers or independent beams that are supported only at one end, while the other projects out horizontally in space. A beam joins the two cantilevers in the middle. These bridges can use wooden beams for smaller footbridges and steel or concrete beams for larger bridges that carry heavy rail and road traffic. The Howrah Bridge in Kolkata, built over the river Hooghly, is an example of a cantilever bridge. It was built by the British between 1937 and 1943. It is the busiest cantilever bridge in the world. Arc bridges. Arc bridges are stronger than beam bridges. They are so called because they are built in the shape of an arc or a semicircle. The two ends of the arc are supported by a structure called an abutment that prevents it from collapsing. The arc bridge is the ideal choice if the foundation of the earth is tough and strong. The Sydney Harbour Bridge in Australia and the Xinguang Bridge in China are the examples of arc bridges. Pontoon bridges. Pontoon bridges are made by tying many boats together and laying wooden planks on these boats to allow people to walk across. These are also known as floating bridges. Pontoon bridges are temporary and built during time of war and calamities. Suspension bridges. Suspension bridges hang from ropes, cables, and chains over rivers and streams. The roadway is suspended from these cables. Earlier, suspension bridges were made of wood. They were not made to carry the weight of heavy traffic or trains. The Ram Jhula in Rishikesh is a suspension bridge. In modern suspension bridges, large chains are strung through the pillars to make them sturdy so that they can take the weight of heavy traffic and trains. A modern day suspension bridges can be more than 2 kilometers long. Thank you.